Karina, and today I'm going to show you 7 types of squats that you can do in order to get a better butt. This routine consists of 7 exercises which you'll be doing for 12 repetitions each, and you'll repeat the entire routine 2 times through. So without further ado, let's get started. Start off with a basic squat with your feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your knees and bringing your hips down as low as you can. Keep your back flat and push yourself up to the starting position while squeezing your glutes. Keep your legs shoulder width apart and start by going down on the right side and coming up from the left. Stop at the center and reverse it back in the other direction. Try to get a nice deep squat every single time, girls. Keep your feet close together and squat down into a ski squat. Bring your right leg out and squat into a sumo squat. Do the same on the other side as well. Start with your feet hip width apart and lower your body. As you get back up, jump your legs inwards and then immediately jump right out. Put your right leg on an elevated level and squat down with your left leg. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Squat down in 3 intervals and try to get your hips down as low as you can. Now pulse over there for 3 times before you come back up. Keep your back nice and flat, lungs open, and make sure you're not holding your breath. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and arms by your side. Drop down into a squat and jump up as high as you can while swinging your arms back. Softly land on your feet and repeat. So are you feeling the burn in your glutes? I'm sure you are. And if you are, then don't forget to like this video, comment, and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more fitness videos just like this on Hauterfly. Until next time, bye!